Good morning, everyone. It's November 9th, I believe, 2014, in Minnesota, central Minnesota, Brainerd, Minnesota, to be exact. And it looks like a pretty nice day. The reason I'm showing you this is because tomorrow we're supposed to have a blizzard. So I'm giving you a before and after video. So take a good look at what it looks like right now, and then 24 hours from now I'll be taking the same shot from the same spot, same angle, and we'll just see the difference we have. See you later. Well, it's the next day. Today is Veterans Day 2014, day after the storm, and we got, let's go take a look, see how much snow we actually got. Find a clean patch. Not a whole lot, maybe 5 or 6 inches. But it's just changed the landscape quite a bit. Winter time. Wish my landlord would come and plow the driveway. Get the snow plow dumped up front. This guy here, he cleans the sidewalk with his snow blower. But he comes to our area and he stops. So I got a shovel. Oh well. Anyway, that's the reporting on the snowstorm. Thanks for watching. Bye.